Crash course on Iceland. Geolocation. Iceland is an island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is situated northwest of Europe and east of Greenland. Capital. Reykjavik is the capital and largest city of Iceland. It is known for its vibrant culture, colorful houses, and thriving arts scene. Population. Iceland has a relatively small population, with a majority of the inhabitants living in urban areas. The population is known for its high literacy rate and emphasis on education. Economy. Iceland has a mixed economy with a focus on renewable energy, tourism, fishing, and geothermal power. It is known for its stunning landscapes, including volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs. Education. Education is highly valued in Iceland, with free education provided at all levels, including primary, secondary, and higher education. Icelandic universities are known for their research and academic programs. Brief history. Settlement in Iceland dates back to the 9th century when Norse Vikings first arrived. Over the centuries, Iceland was ruled by Norway, Denmark, and eventually gained independence in 1944. Culture. Icelandic culture is rich in literature, sagas, folklore, and traditional arts. The country's isolation has contributed to the preservation of its unique language, traditions, and mythology. Politics. Iceland is a parliamentary democracy with a president as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. It has a reputation for political stability and progressive policies. Top 12 attractions in Iceland. 1. The Blue Lagoon. 2. Golden Circle, including Ingvalir National Park, Geysir, and Gullfoss. 3. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. 4. Reykjavik City. 5. Vatnajökull National Park. 6. Skogafoss Waterfall. 7. Landmannalaugar. 8. Snæfellsnes Peninsula. 9. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. 10. Mývatn Lake. 11. Dettifoss Waterfall. 12. Westfjords. These attractions showcase the diverse natural wonders of Iceland, including glaciers, waterfalls, geothermal areas, and stunning landscapes. In summary, Iceland is a captivating destination known for its dramatic landscapes, geothermal wonders, vibrant culture, and friendly people. It offers a unique blend of natural beauty, history, and modern amenities that make it a remarkable place to explore. Poem about Iceland. In the land of fire and ice, where wonders collide. Iceland's beauty fills the heart with pride. Volcanoes erupt, painting the sky with flames. Glaciers stand tall, immortalizing ancient names. Land of contrasts, where nature reigns supreme. Majestic waterfalls flow in an endless stream. From golden valleys to black sand shores. Iceland's landscapes leave us longing for more. Reykjavik, a city alive with vibrant charm. Where art and culture dance in perfect harmony's arm. Nurturing creativity, with stories to be told. Iceland's spirit shines, a treasure to behold. Legends of old whisper through the fjords. Sagas and folklore, their timeless chords. The midnight sun, a celestial display. Northern lights enchant, casting a magical ray. From Thingvalla's rift to geothermal springs. Iceland's wonders ignite the soul's wings. With every step, nature's symphony unfolds. A land where beauty and adventure mold. Song about Iceland. Verse 1. In the land of fire and ice. Where nature's wonders intertwine. Iceland's beauty shines so bright. A captivating land, a true delight. Chorus. O, Iceland, a land so fair. Where waterfalls cascade with flair. From volcanic peaks to rugged coast. In your embrace, we're forever lost. Verse 2. Reykjavik, a city full of dreams. Where creativity flows in vibrant streams. Art and culture, hand in hand. Icelandic spirit, across the land. Bridge. Legends echo through the night. Northern lights paint the sky so bright. Midnight sun, a golden glow. Iceland's wonders, they always show. Chorus. Oh, Iceland, a land so fair, where waterfalls cascade with flair, from volcanic peaks to rugged coast. In your embrace, we're forever lost. Outro. Iceland, a place of dreams untold, where nature's wonders never fold. In our hearts, you'll always reside. A land of magic, forever our guide. Note: the poem and song are fictional and created for illustrative purposes. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.